Hey YouTube, this is a video on how I make my seashell garlands. You can get these products from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. I found the larger bag at the Dollar Tree and the rope I'm going to use from the Dollar Tree, and the small bag seashells come from Dollar General because I wanted some type of color. I'll show you how to make the garland. All you need is simple items: hot glue gun or your E6000, but I'm just gonna use hot glue gun because it's not that serious. And I'm using this garland in my bathroom because I have a seashell bathroom. The extra shells, you can get a vase, clear vase, put some sand in it and put your seashells for more decorative options. I don't have that much room, so unfortunately I will not be doing that, but I may do a tutorial on that one because they do have at the Dollar General some beautiful vase that can go. They also have some seashell shaped ones as well for like $5. Here's the shells from the first bag, which is the smaller bag. That's the one with colors. Yeah, you will get some chipped ones. I'm not for sure if I want to use those or not. But I need the teal shells. So that was my purpose of buying that bag in the first place. But to give you an idea, you get quite a few. But I'm going to mix mine because the shells from the Dollar Tree look more distressed versus the shells from Dollar General. As you can see, these are the shells come from the larger bag. You see that there's way more, but there's not a lot of different colors, whatever concept you want. Like I said, I'll mix mine up. You can do whatever, and we'll see what it looks like. I'm going to start placing them along the rope to see how I want it. Just like this. Excuse my nails, I haven't done them. Don't really care. It's just a video. Place them along the rope like so. However you want to do it, it's your thing. And I'll be back. So you want to place the shells along the rope where you're going to hot glue them to. You don't have to use as many as you can use more, you can use less, whatever your preference. Like I said, it's your thing. You may add something else to it, you can. I know I marked where the corners were and the center, so I'll have it even because I've kind of got a thing for centering a lot of my projects. Yes, I know this isn't a professional video, but who cares?